Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And this girl came a few hours after my Sasha Easter collab. I thought she might be here on time. This is so sharp. I'm trying to be, this is sharp. We just bought these. They're for our back pockets here on the farm. And very, very handy for everything. She came yesterday after the Easter collab, which when you see this, the Easter collab will be over and done with and probably forgotten about by some. She is a Sasha doll.
But if you haven't seen it, go look at that Easter collab after this. There's a lot of adorable
dolls. Oh my goodness, it's 6 channels. 6 channels with beautiful, beautiful outfits and dolls. This is a blonde Sasha doll in the box, in her original everything. What's this note? Oh, okay. How to put a sock on their hair. Okay. I don't know, that seems like a lot of, this is, I call these look what you didn't get books. Yeah, I need a couple more. I thought I was done, but I'm going to need the black girl, and I'll probably never find the black guy, certainly not for what I'm going to charge, because he's, I'm sure, very rare. Oh, do I love them. And see, you could have bought clothes back then. And there's a little baby. Oh, look, the baby has her leg crossed. How cute is that? Oh, and here's the toddler. I have seen toddlers on eBay. Are they inexpensive? They are not. All right, let's take a look at the doll. Without further ado. Oh, gosh. This little outfit is iconic. She has her little wristband. She's a little loose from time. Nothing tragic. She could probably use tightening, but I don't know that I will. Not straight out of the box. Look at her little shoes. Oh, and her little socks. Let's see her hair. Oh, she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous.
She sat in the box a lot. The back of her head's flat.
And the legs are twisted to one side. Oh, she's gorgeous. I'm happy to have her. You will see her coming up. We mentioned the Easter collab. It is a lovely group of 6 ladies. And we sew for the Sasha dolls for the collabs. But we also talk about, especially Dory and Lorraine, they talk about the Sasha history, etc. I think Karen did too from Starch and Stitches. It's really fun to learn about these dolls, to dress these dolls, and to see everyone's beautiful collections and their clothing. We have 2 more scheduled, 2 more collabs coming up that I hope you will not miss. The Easter collab, if you look back in my videos, was March 22nd, Darren? 23rd. 22nd. 22nd or 23rd. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Let me know, do you have a Sasha doll? Oh, she's just gorgeous. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
There should be a link to her in the description to the Easter collab.
Oh, yeah, let's do that.
And, well, I usually do. And then also they'll be in your new Sasha playlist.
And yeah, cool. And then everybody else's description, everybody else's channel in the collab, if they go to my video, the Easter video, they can click to each one, you know, from one to another because everybody listed the channels involved.
Congratulations, babe.
Thank you.